Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Vudu application on your Amazon Fire TV device. Well, Vudu is a new streaming platform. It required to stream movies, TV shows, anime and documentaries on Firestick 4K or other devices. Since the app is not costing anything but written, you will see some advertisement here. The user interface of Vudu is capable with TV and work fine with the remote control. So let's go ahead and download Vudu on Fire TV device. Let's begin. So in the Cinema HD, so in the Firestick home screen, what you have to do, you need to turn on apps from unknown source. Without this, you cannot download Vudu application on your Fire TV device. So just hover to settings gear icon. Slide down and click on My Fire TV. Again slide down and click on Developer Options. And here you need to turn on both of these options. When you turn on apps from unknown source, warning message appear on your screen. So select turn on. And as you can see, apps from unknown source has been enabled. Now go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here you need to install downloader app that is used to download third-party applications. Through this app, we can install Vudu app on this Fire TV device. So just hover to find, slide down and click on search. Now type here downloader. When you type 2-3 word, suggestion list appear. So slide down and click on downloader. And here click on orange color downloader icon. From the next screen, it's gonna give us ability to download this application on this Fire TV device. So just click on download button and that downloader app start downloading. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. So as you can see, downloader app has been installed. Now select open to launch it. When you launch downloader app first time, dialog box appear on your screen. So click on allow button. Now click on OK. And guys, this is the home screen of downloader app. That is only a simple box there and some menus on the left side. So just hover to symbol box and press remote select button to launch keyboard. Now type here app URL address exactly as it's showing on your screen. After typing URL address, slide down and click on go button. And it will connect into server. After that, Vudu application downloaded in few seconds, depends on your internet connection. After downloaded, installation section appear on your screen. So click on install button. And as you can see, Vudu app has been installed. Now click on done button and delete this backup file because we don't need this anymore. Let's click on delete. And again, after deleting backup file, hold remote home button for few seconds. Click on apps. And guys, here you will find all application that is installed in your Amazon Fire TV device. So slide down and click on Vudu app. And guys, here click on sign in button and then click on Vudu account. Now create your account and watch free movies, TV shows, documentaries on this Vudu applications. So I hope this video is real for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next on next video. Take care.